welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your seafood restaurant business. Manually managing all the table reservations and sharing menus can take up a lot of your time and effort. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will book tables and share menus all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for seafood restaurant. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send a general message like hello. And our chatbot responds with, "Welcome to Ocean Bite Seafood Restaurant. Fresh food, cozy ambience and easy reservations all on WhatsApp. Choose an option below," and it has provided us with 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says today's menu. Here's our today's special menu: garlic butter prawns, rupees 4.99, grilled cheese snapper, rupees 6.99, crab curry, rupees 7.49, seafood fried rice, rupees 3.99, fresh coconut mojito, rupees 1.49. Want full menu? Click here. And here it has provided with a clickable link of full menu. So here I'm going to select the second option that says reserve a table. And our chatbot responds with, "Let's book your table. Please reply with name." So here I'm going to send a dummy response as demo user. And it responds me with, "Let's book your table. Please reply with date and time." So here I'm going to respond with date and time. And it responds me with, "Thank you demo user, for 25th May 2025 at 9 PM. We can't wait to serve you." Lastly, I'm going to choose special offers option. And our chatbot responds me with, "This week seafood deals. Buy one get one free, shrimp tempura, Monday to Friday, 10% off on all octopus dishes this weekend, free mocktails with every seafood platter. To redeem, show this message during your visit." So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for seafood restaurant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. To create this chatbot, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Seafood Restaurant. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template and when you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Once we are done with our basic setup, we can start curating our first message. And for that, I'm going to access the text button and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Here I've added this message and here I'm going to add little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable and professional as well. Now our message will look like this to the user. Here I'm going to add some quick reply options with the help of this add button option. Here I'm going to add today's menu and next I'm going to add another option of reserve a table and lastly I'm going to add an option of special offers. Once we have curated first message, we will curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with today's menu. And for that, I'm going to access the text button and here I'm going to add all the details of the menu. Our message will look like this to the user. Once we are done with our first response, we can curate a response for the second option that says reserve table. And for this, I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. Here I'm going to add let's book your table. Please reply with name. And here we have an option to select contact custom field. To select contact custom field, we need to create it first. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, then you can check the link in the description box. Here I'm going to select my contact custom field as name. And as format, I'm going to select text. Here we have number of attempts and validation message. And you can provide as many attempts as you want. Then I'm going to link this question box to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to ask another question. I'm going to place it here and then here I'm going to take another response. Here I've added this message, let's book your table, please reply with date and time. Then I'm going to link it to the question box. As contact custom field, I'm going to select time and as format, I'm going to select any. Then lastly, I'm going to send a confirmation message with the help of text button. So here I'm going to add this message. It will look like this. Thank you $name. Name was our contact custom field and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual name of the user. Your table is reserved for $time. This will be replaced by the actual time and date sent by the user. We can't wait to serve you. So this is how we have created our second response. Now we are going to move on to the last response for special offers. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message and it will look like this to the user. This week's seafood details. Buy one get one free shrimp tempura Monday to Thursday. 10% off on all octopus dishes this weekend. Free mocktails with every seafood platter. To redeem, show this message during your visit. And this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for seafood restaurant with the help of Pabbly Chatflow by accessing all of its features easily. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I have shown in this video. And once you're done creating your flow, you can save your flow from here. And once the flow is updated successfully, you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.